Can the client run everything in high definition?
Well, the screen resolution, even using one of our single projectors, is always going to be HD. All of our projectors now are at 1920 by 1080, so it's going to be HD at the very least. When using multiple projectors to create wider images, the horizontal resolution, as we see here, will be even higher. Now, it's always best to use the best image quality as the source material. And of course, the image quality here in terms of the projectors are able to resolve very high-definition images, but you still need to have the quality to start with in order to put this through the system, in order to display it at its best, especially if it's being placed across the entire vista. Standard definition images will be up-converted to the native resolution of the screen, so you should never lose quality. But some of the stuff you will be given by your client, and it's not always going to be the top quality. And we're going to be running some stuff later that is actually off YouTube. And I'm sure many of you in your conferences run stuff that clients giving you off YouTube, and it's never the best quality. So what you can do is you can, instead of running it across the whole screen, just open up a window and run it inside a window, and that way you'll maintain the quality of that image without blowing it up too large.
Now, Paul, different staging companies use different staging systems. Is any one different or better than another?
Well, there are slight differences to the systems, but for all intensive purposes, they do a very, very similar job. Now, Blitz has invested in Barco Encore, which is what we're using today. There's other systems like Vista Spider, which is more PC-driven. Now, we've chosen Barco Encore as we believe it's the most flexible system and, most importantly, at an affordable price. The modules that you see here are usually created in After Effects, and we've played them in through Datatom Watchout. We also do widescreen light systems, which are available for smaller events when quality and flexibility are important on a tight budget. Now, let me just finish off this section by showing you something else we did for Lacoste. It's another module we did for Lacoste, just to give you an idea of what can be achieved. So what happened there is the boys at the back are being a bit clever there, because what they've done is they've incorporated the low resolution in with the high resolution. We didn't do that for Lacoste, but actually it's quite a nice effect. But just shows what you can do if you incorporate low resolution stuff and high resolution stuff, incorporating the GLEC into it. It's just something we tried actually when we came here, and we thought actually that looks quite good, so we kept it in there.
That's brilliant. Thank you very much, Paul. It's clear that widescreen and high definition really do pull focus on your message. Great visual quality there that really draws in the audience and can work in both a larger and a more intimate setting as well.
Before we go on, I was just going to recap, sorry, to cut across you, but I was just going to recap on, just on that slide. Sorry, Emma.
That's all right.
What I want to recap on is that just an overview of what we've seen with regard to widescreen. High impact. You can immerse your audiences in lovely, beautiful, high-resolution images, and the image quality is very, very, very good. It works well when clients want to show lots of detail. You can also create multiple stage environments, so the backdrop is constantly changing. You can add different colours, especially if you incorporate other things into it like LED, as we've done here. It's also cost effective. Just to give you an idea, the LED we've got in here, if you're hiring that for a day, is a little over £1,000. So we're not talking about big money here for these effects. And Blitz can supply a complete turnkey service with the video, the audio, the lighting, the staging, the crew and everything. So it's a complete one-stop package.